1, 2, 3, let's go!
Look at this, it's raining so hard. Oh my goodness. But we don't care.
Talk to the people. I should tell them what you're gonna do. Tell them you're gonna do some tricks for them.
Dad always do that. It's okay.
So, I splash you. What are you gonna pay me for me not to splash you? Huh? Oh, yeah, bro? Oh, I guess y'all gonna be wet, huh? Unless you didn't think he can outrun me. You think you can outrun me? Probably not, huh? You can outrun me? Okay, I take it off. Alright. Which way we going? First one there. If I beat you there, guess what? You'll get splashed. If you beat me, you don't get splashed. It's on tour. No, it's on touring mode. Huh? That's right.
me drive the boat.
So you're going 14 miles an hour. Wow, you're going fast. The rain, it's the rain. Yeah, it's the rain.
It's gonna make blurry. Bro, you can't see nothing.